Hello folks, Trade Ideas Stock Market Scanning Software here, taking a look at our virtual trading assistant, Holly, as usual. Just going over a combination of human and machine, how important they are. So we'll dive right in with Nuvi. We get a great call here for a short signal at 55.66. Really just pounds right into the money right away. We get a big, long, nice bottoming shadow that's down here for a reversal on the scan. And this is where human and machine comes in, right? Are we going to sit in this trade and let it reverse on us? Machine doesn't always make the best exits, even with these quality signals. Now, later on, this does go on to be a huge winner here, but realistically, no successful trader is letting a reversal like that happen. Again, we want to show something similar here, NTCT. All right, we get another nice short signal here. We get down in the money. We're down here for about 20 minutes in the money before a reversal and turning around up to the stop, through the entry price and through to the stop price, as a matter of fact. Again, human and machine, nice signal, good call, nice entry, right? We're there, we're in the money, we let it turn around. Not how successful traders would do it. Again, our virtual trading assistant Holly makes some really excellent entries, but those entries are best managed by a human trader, right? Again, human and machine combo. If you like what you saw here, you want to see more, tradeideas.com, come visit us. We're there, we're here to chat. Give us an email. We'd like to help you get to that next level on your trading. Take care, we'll see you next video.